27 and I had a total hysterectomy due to some medical issues. It threw my body into early menopause, of course, and then my body naturally went into menopause. So for the last 15 years, I have pretty much been in a constant state of menopause. Hysterectomy, they put me on a synthetic hormone. I didn't like the way it made my body feel. I tried it for 3 months, gave it an honest try, did some research on it, didn't like the way it made my body feel, found out it was made from horse urine, which didn't settle well with me either. So I stopped that. About 10 years later, I tried synthetic hormones again. I tried the patch. That did not, again, I tried it for 3 months, gave it a good run, and I didn't like the way that made me feel either. I found out about BioTE, bioidentical hormones that are derived from plants, and your body sees them as natural. And through the 15 years or so that I have been going through this, not a single time until Dr. Keith did anyone ever mention to me bioidentical hormones. It was never an option. I decided to give bioidentical hormones a try because they're not synthetic. Wanted to try something that was better for my body. Did some research, did a lot of research. I absolutely trust my doctor, 150%. Together with some labs, we decided that this would be a good step. But since then, I have felt better. My hot flashes have stopped, which is huge for anyone who has ever had a hot flash. It's fantastic. My night sweats have all but stopped. They're still there, but not like they were. So I'm hopeful for that as well. My sleep is better. I was sleeping 3 to 4 hours a night, and now I'm 6 to 8 hours. My husband says I'm nicer. I like him again.